Hey gamers! If you've been frustrated with the error, couldn't load resource aux inventory, failed to open pack file, read bulk of header failed, don't worry, you're not alone. While this is mostly a server-side issue, we'll also cover client-side fixes, because many players encounter this when trying to join a specific server. So, whether you're a server owner or a player, this guide will walk you through solutions step by step. Let's dive in. Server-side fixes. If you're a server owner, here's what you need to do. Re-upload the aux inventory files. Ensure the resource files are intact. Corrupted or incomplete files often trigger this error. Re-upload them to your server and verify everything is in place. Restart your server. Sometimes resources get buggy or fail to load properly. A simple server restart can often fix the issue. If these don't work, double-check your server logs for any clues about what's causing the failure. Now, for players, if the problem is on your end, let's go through some client-side methods to fix it. Method 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt downloads, causing resource load failures. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Use an online speed test to ensure your internet is fast enough. Avoid running other apps that might use up bandwidth, like streaming or large downloads. Method 2. Clear FiveM cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent resources from loading correctly. Here's how to clear your FiveM cache. Close FiveM completely. Go to the FiveM application data folder. Right-click the FiveM shortcut, select Open File Location, and look for the data folder. Inside the data folder, delete the folder named Cache. Do not delete the game folder. Relaunch FiveM and try joining the server again. Method 3. Disable Firewall or antivirus temporarily. Your antivirus or firewall might block the resource download, mistaking it for a threat. Go to the Control panel, then System and Security, and open Windows Defender Firewall. Turn it off temporarily. Try reconnecting to the server. If this works, add FiveM as an exception in your firewall or antivirus settings to avoid future interruptions. Method 4. Use a VPN if your internet service provider has connectivity issues or is throttling your connection. Using a VPN can help bypass these restrictions. Download and install a reliable VPN, such as NordVPN or Proton VPN, or use Cloudflare Warp, which is a free and good-to-go tool. If you're going with VPN, connect to a nearby server location for better speed. Launch FiveM and try joining the server again. Method 5. Verify disk space and permissions. Ensure you have enough free space on the drive where FiveM is installed. Low storage can block downloads. Open this PC and check the available space on your drive. Free up space if needed, aiming for at least 10 gigabytes. Also, run FiveM as an administrator. Right-click the FiveM shortcut and select Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. And that's it. Most of the time, server owners can fix this error by ensuring their resources are intact or simply restarting the server. But for players, these client-side fixes should help resolve the issue if it's on your end. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. If you're still stuck, feel free to leave a comment. We'll try to help you out. See you next time.